What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaitlan if you're new here. Today's video is going to be like a little test trial kind of thing to see if setting spray actually works. This is going to be like a 2-day part. I'm going to be using all the same products for my face. Eyeshadow is just going to be lips, everything. All the products will be listed down below. We're going to see if setting spray actually works. I don't have any setting spray. This is going to be no setting spray day, and we're going to see how it looks by the end of the day. It is approximately 11:30. I just got done putting my full face on, so we're gonna test out the same exact time with setting spray tomorrow. So I will be checking back in probably like every 2 to 3 hours to see, you know, what's creased, what's been different for both days, and we'll see how today looks. And let's actually test if setting spray actually works. All right, let's get it. Okay, so it's 1:30 right now, and this is the 2-hour update. You really can't tell, but I do have like smile marks that are coming in, but we'll see if that happens tomorrow. Okay, so it's about 5:30 right now. This is how the face looks so far. And of course my smile lines are coming in more so than anything. Kind of like down here, it's kind of look a little wearing. I'll check back in when I get back home. Okay, so it's about 9 o'clock at night, and I've had my face and makeup on since about 11 to 11:30ish. So it's been on for almost like 9 hours. But I did notice for the first couple of hours, my smile lines were like very like, you could tell that they're there. So we'll see tomorrow if after a couple hours that they're going to be there. You can kind of see where like my contour, my blush, and my highlight are very faint. But also around my nose, my foundation has picked up. Definitely on my chin. My foundation around here has kind of like gone. It's not full coverage anymore for sure. Hopefully there will be a difference, because if there's not a difference, I'm gonna be like really sad about this. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, it's day 2 on to see if setting spray actually works. I will check in with you every so many hours like I did yesterday. Let's see if this stuff works. See you in a couple of hours. Hey guys, it's almost a 4.5 hour check look. Honestly, like, you can definitely tell the difference. My smile lines are barely there. My foundation looks a little bit dewy, but not like oily or too matte. And I think this is working. Okay, so it is approximately 10 o'clock, and this makeup has been on longer than yesterday's was. I'm pretty sure setting spray does work, because my makeup did not look this good, did not look this like dewy or anything without it. You can kind of see it picking up around my nose now, but this makeup has been on like a couple hours longer than yesterday's. And my smile lines are barely there still. So if you wanted to know if setting spray worked or not, girl, it works. You need to get you some. You need to stop contemplating your life. You need to set your face with that setting spray and get you some good stuff. Like this video if you like to see more trial and error videos like this with more different products. Comment down below what kind of setting spray you guys use, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to get rung when I post. I'm out.